Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So what we have today is this Toyota Porte. Okay, this car runs on 1NZ engine, that is 1500cc, and after diagnosing we found out it had a faulty ignition coil. So customer was complaining of misfire and loss of power. Remember, also the consumption was high. Okay, so after diagnosing we found out the root cause was this ignition coil, and we are going to replace with another one. So this, after replacement, I'm going to show you how you test. So this is how we test. As the car is running, you can see the spark is being produced. Okay, several things can lead to faulty ignition coil. Remember, also you can have loose connection that can cause this ignition coil to be faulty. Okay, the misfire code can also be caused by a faulty noise